In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop getting rug pulled buying meme coins. It's actually very simple. This extension is $10 per month. And what I will say is if you can't afford to be spending $10 a month on a tool that can save you potentially losing thousands of dollars, I don't think you should be investing and trading meme coins in the first place. Here's an example of a token that is very likely to be a rug pull. I've just opened it here on Dex Screener. If you look at the chart, straight away, it seems very concerning. You could see that this massive green candle, but if we look over here on the right, you'll see some different information. The liquidity shows us 27,000, and we can see that there's no lock icon right here. What that means is that the liquidity pool has not been locked, and the creator of the liquidity pool can remove the liquidity anytime. So that means if you put your money in on an exchange to buy this token, the creator of the token can actually take it out. So they can remove that. They can remove your money. That's a huge red flag. Over here, the market cap is already over $800,000 nearly immediately. That seems very concerning also because there's only 28 transactions that I've heard from 26 people. So only 26 people, and this is the market cap. This seems 100% like a scam. But just in case we weren't sure, what we could do is we could use this tool right here called Token Spy. Token Spy is a Chrome extension, and if we click this button on the website, we can install it. And so if we go back, in the bottom right-hand corner here after you've installed the Chrome extension, you'll see this button. And if you click the button, it'll pull up the token automatically, and it'll show you an overall score. This is a scam, clearly. 19 out of 99. Liquidity shows as low. Liquidity pool lock shows as low. The top holder has 98.33% of the tokens. That is insane. And if you go over to the top holders, you'll see that this user right here, they are just waiting to dump. So, enough people buy into this, they're going to get completely rug pulled. They're going to lose all their money. And this is why this tool is so helpful, right? It becomes so complicated to gather all this information individually for these tokens. And this tool just compiles it all for you, and within seconds, you know if you should buy something or not. At any point, this is going to dump, and we're going to see a massive red candle because they're going to completely rug pull it. Buying and selling meme coins, really, time is the most important thing because you want to be one of the first people to buy, and you also want to be able to sell quickly. So the longer that takes, the more likely you are to get dumped on or miss a good opportunity. That's why being able to click the button and immediately see if something's likely a scam or not is super important. And there we go. That's exactly what I was talking about. Do you see that massive dump right there? This token literally just got rug pulled. And everybody who bought this, all these green buys in here, have all gotten destroyed. Here's another example token. And I just wanted to bring this one up because it's another one that just released on Dex Screener. So if I click the button here in Token Spy, open this up. Once it loads, we can see this one has a really bad score too. None of the liquidity is locked. We can see that the top 4 holders have 15.36% of the tokens. That is a bit concerning, but I think what's mostly concerning here is the fact that the liquidity pool is not locked, so they can just drain the liquidity. And also, look, as you continue to do this, you'll be able to just come into the charts and know more likely if something's to be a scam, and then just check the extension, get a better idea, and kind of just confirm, like, okay, yes, this seems scammy. Like this has a really bad score for a reason. And this one's also going to dump. It's just a matter of when, right? Once enough people buy in and we see enough green dollars coming in, this one's just going to dump. They're going to move on, create another spam token. Here's an example of another one. But yeah, look, the first 2 buys here, 22,000, 4,000. They're really just trying to make the chart look like it's jumping. A bunch of green candles here, and then people are going to buy in. They're just going to dump again. So if we open this one up in our extension, this one has an even worse score, 9 out of 99. Oh man. Token metadata is enabled as well on this one. This means that the dev can still edit the token behind the scenes, and they can disable you from selling and things like that. So they can make it a honeypot. And if we look at the top holders, The top holders don't really seem concerning, but if you look at all these, this is super concerning. Oh, you can see. Let's go down here. It said remove. It looks like something sketchy happened and it has yet to update. People are trying to sell and they're less than a cent. Another rug. Guys, this is happening literally for so many tokens that are releasing these days. If you're buying meme coins and you want to try not to get rugged, you need to be using a tool like this. It's a matter of minimizing your losses. And I think tools like this really give you the edge over everybody else trying to do this, just trying to throw money at stuff. That's how you lose thousands of dollars, and that's not what I recommend.